Hey guys, X101 here, and I'm still here with Sriracha and MLG. I'm a bit out of breath because I had to do a lot of running. Oh, I'm frozen. I'm frosty. You can fast travel. Fast travel. You know, go to another place. Yeah. We English good. Me English good. Alright. Let's equip. Don't forget, we gotta punch it. Did we finish that already? I already did.
Guys, can we get a sniper? Because this level 1 sniper's not doing anything.
It does 40 damage. We don't know how much damage the Hammerlock sniper does. Plus, we don't really need shotgun. Yeah. There's a slight echo. Well, that's not too much of a problem. We're going to Hammerlock.
Right, give us a Hammerlock?
Yeah.
Oh, we get a Toon Jalapeno.
Let's see, I got face.
Get a what? I got a
I'm comparing it to the sniper we had. Yeah, this sniper's a lot better.
Hey, you found a customization station. You can use this to change your appearance and reset your skill points.
I'm gonna change the name for this character. That way I know this is the character I use for the
Oh,
video.
my character doesn't look that bad in this.
Sanctuary. Let's go this way.
Well, we should probably end it here for right now because we don't want to be too far ahead of the other guy. There we go.
Take down Boom. He's one of the Ripper clan, as in Slash Ripper. I don't have to really like him.
What happened? Hello. Hello, sir. Would you like a bullet in the face? Come on, shoot your gun. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to wrap up the video here. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This is Next01 signing out. See you later, my gangsters.